Is your refrigerator's crisper drawer cover frame cracked or broken? Then the ALVAR Upgraded 240,364,787 Refrigerator Crisper Drawer Cover Frame might be your kitchen's new hero. This crisper drawer cover frame is compatible with many Frigidaire models. It is a direct replacement. It brings new life to your old crisper. Think of it as a fresh start. This Frigidaire Crisper Cover Frame fits perfectly. It makes your refrigerator organized again. You'll love how easy it is to install. And it's built to last furthermore. This replacement part acts like a sturdy roof. It protects your fruits and vegetables. No more sagging shelves. No more wasted produce. The ALVAR Crisper Drawer Cover Frame keeps everything fresh. It also keeps your food visible. You can find what you need quickly. Moreover, it prevents items from falling. This Frigidaire Crisper Cover Frame is a great investment. It improves your fridge's function. It also enhances its appearance. Therefore, your refrigerator will feel brand new. Ultimately, choosing the ALVAR 240,364,787 is a smart move. It saves you money. You won't need a new refrigerator. Instead, you'll simply replace one key part. It is durable. It is also reliable. This Frigidaire Crisper Cover Frame truly delivers. Additionally, it helps maintain ideal humidity. Your produce stays crisp longer. So, say goodbye to wilted greens. Say hello to fresh, delicious food. It's an essential upgrade. It keeps your kitchen running smoothly. Pros: fit perfectly. Good quality. Great price. Perfect fit. Great fit. Fits perfectly into my Frigidaire fridge. Great replacement. Perfect replacement for my fridge. Easy setup. Glass fits inside perfectly. Cons: not quite the same size, poorly described item, incorrect model numbers, did not fit, short return window, customer service sucks. Features: upgraded design, refrigerator compatible, crisper drawer cover frame included, Frigidaire compatible, direct replacement, AP 4,432,913 compatible 240,364,794 compatible, FFTR 1821 TS0 compatible, FFTR 1814 TWB compatible. This is an upgraded crisper drawer cover frame for your refrigerator. It's designed to fit many Frigidaire models, including those using part numbers AP 4,432,913, 240,364,794, FFTR 1821 TS0, and FFTR 1814 TWB. This means you can easily replace your old or broken crisper pan cover with this new unit. The ALVAR Upgraded Crisper Drawer Cover Frame is a great replacement for many Frigidaire refrigerator models, including FFTR 1821 TS0 and FFTR 1814 TWB. Many customers found it to be a perfect fit, easy to install, and of good quality for the price. However, some experienced issues with the glass not fitting quite right or the unit not fitting their specific model, despite the listed compatibility. A few also noted problems with the product description and customer service.